Good morning, students. In this video, you will know how to start SQL, how to use the select query, okay, like extracting any data from the table. So obviously, we will use select query. Here, I will discuss how to create and delete database, how to create and delete table, how to insert data in a table. Okay, so one by one, I'm going to discuss. So first of all, let me go to my SQL. So I have gone to my SQL. Here I have to give the password. Password already I have given. Now, my question is that how to, yes, create a database. So for creating a database, we use the command create, create database and the database name. Suppose the database name is, yes, office. So you write office. Now you want to check whether my database has been created or not. Then use show databases. Now you can see here your database has already been created, named school. Now, if I want to remove this database, yes, then I will use drop command. DROP, drop database. And what is the name of the database? Office. It has been deleted. You want to check it? Check. Is there office database? No. Now, the next part, yes, I will be discussing related to table. But before related to table, let me create, yes, one database. Create database. And this time I'm going to have the name of the database as school. Okay. Now you can see your database has already been created. Now I have to use this database. But before that, let me show you whether the database is, yes, will be displayed or not. Now you can see the database which I created, that is already showing there. Now already the database has been created, but how I will make use of that database? For that you will use the command use and name of the database, that is school. Now your database school has been utilized. Now the next command that I will discuss, how to create a table. So for creating a table, you have to use the command create. Okay, table. And what is the name of the table? Suppose teacher. This is the name of the table. Okay, now just let me have the table. This is my table. Okay, let me show you. And this table I have to create, which is showing at the right side. So what are the fields? Teacher ID, teacher name, last name, gender, salary, date of birth, and death. So one by one, I'm going to create my dear. So here already I have given the name of the table. Now, Now, first one column is teacher ID. So I will write here teacher underscore ID. Now, the next part, we write the data type. So what will be my data type? Suppose integer. Now, what will be my constraint? Primary key. First part is over. My next one field is first name. So I will write here first name. Now, what is the data type? That is varchar. I already discussed varchar. Varchar 20. Now, here I don't want, yes, any null value to be passed. So I will write here not null. Okay, and then comma. Now, the next field is my last name. So I will write here last underscore name varchar 20. Okay, now the next field is gender. So I will write here gender. Gender is my one letter character. So I will use char. Now the salary is decimal. Okay, because there can be 2000, there can be 10,000, there can be 10,000 rupees, 10,020 paise. Okay, so I have used, yes, decimal 10. 10 is the integer part and 2 is the fraction part. Okay, now next one is my date of birth. So date underscore of underscore birth. So what is my date of birth? Date. So I will use date. Now the next one is department number. So I will write DEPT underscore number, and it is also my integer. And after doing this, I will close the bracket and use the semicolon. Okay. Now there is one error. Let me check it. Now the spelling of table, you can see I have written wrong. Whatever mistake that you will do, it will show, my dear. Now it has accepted. Okay. Now the last part, how to insert, yes, a record in a table. So for doing this, you must use insert into, what is the name of the table? That is teacher. Use values. And now one by one, what is teacher ID? My integer. So no problem, 101 I will use. First name is Sanaya. Sanaya is, that is, it is varchar. You can see varchar 20. That must be used in a single quote. So Shanaya. Now the next one is, yes, Batra. That is also varchar. So I will write this one in quote. Next one is gender. Gender, it is showing char. So it will be also in single quote. Next one is the salary. Salary is integer. So simple way I will write. Next one is date of birth. This is date. So that also I will be using in single quote. 1984 dash 8 dash 11. I will close it. And the last one is department number. Department number is integer. So after this, you must have to close the bracket and use semicolon after your statement. Now you want to see whether this one has been added in the table or not. So you will use select star from teacher. Now it has come. You can see it. Yes, which the table, which the record I have added in a table, that is showing here. I hope you have understood this topic, my dear. Thank you.